Rolling? What's up? If you're new to my channel, I'm Amazon Trapper. Today we about to continue our series, the $100 challenge. New whip, same store, same grind, same shit. We're about to go in there and see what we can do with $100. So come on, let's get to it. Oh yeah, we went AMG, by the way. If you didn't know, we went AMG. We still got the TRX, but we needed something a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, like compact, so we could drive around. You know, we be driving around all day. $2 buy cost, $10 sale price. I could get all of these in hold up, September 12th. We'll keep moving, but these are $3 profit each box. I don't know how many exactly they have, but this is a winner, but we're gonna keep scanning. This shit's probably a bust. I don't have Amazon, bro. That's selling, but it's just not profitable. No profits. You like these, don't you? You like these? Fries? Low goal, if you only have $100 capital, is you want to focus on the highest ROI products that you can find. So like those ones back there that I found, they were decent, but I wouldn't just straight buy the first thing that I seen. I would scan through the whole store, and then whichever one was the most profit, I would go with that one. So these green boxes of noodles right here are $6 buy cost, and they're selling currently for $28.99. And we can see that it's actually selling because this offer count has, you know, disappeared. It went away, and we can see all of these people right here are getting sales on it. Best Buy, October, it looks like. So this green one is a buster, right? This green one is 152% ROI. So I was just telling you guys, you want to focus on the products that are giving you the best ROI. This is going to be one of those. You know, the green one is good. So that's like $12. Let's scan the blue one. The blue one is selling 50 times a month at $22.99, but this would get FBM'd, be about $7. So this is 100% ROI too, the blue ones. Let's see what the red ones cost. What the red ones are going for. $6 buy cost. These are selling 100 times a month. So these are all valid. I have no idea. I don't work here. I just make money here. I look like an employee?
Yeah, you loading the car though.
But see, I pulled up AMG. I don't work here. He asked me how much was the steaks today. Wouldn't know. So we'll just do 3 of each. 18 times 3, 54. So we're at $40 plus the greens were going for more. We're at $67 profit on $54 spent so far. You like selling these, right? Which ones? Looks like I'm too late. Those are the green ones especially. What up? How you doing? What up, man?
6 hours behind schedule because the truck just got here 6 hours late. But I'll check tomorrow to see if I can get, is it just the shrimp flavor is good or are you just testing it?
I'm gonna test the other two, but the green one is doing really good, apparently. I'm gonna try them out.
Like they were,
Hello.
there was like 2,000 cases.
See what I can do with them. Alright, anyway, back to business. Y'all know how I am about my little 3-packs and shit. 22.46.
Check these.
Apple crisp.
I can get those for 99 cents. They're $3.99 everywhere else.
Which ones?
The apple crisp ones.
This?
And the other ones are 99 cents too.
Something going on here. We might have something going on here, fellas. 58K rent. It's not really doing nothing. It's not really selling too much. Apple. Shit not going. I mean, like it's going, but it's not really going. Your folks like these?
What folks? I don't got no folks, bro.
Where's the acing, bro? Keep moving shit around. Watch your back. Getting dirty looks and shit. Yeah, I mean, this shit is definitely moving, but where do you get this? They're moving pretty good, but it's like $6. It's like $5 to $6 profit per 12-pack case. And I'm not gonna have my truck, and I'm not putting these cases in my car. So, they're selling 300 times a month.
See?
The listing looks good. The offer count looks good. The Jimmies are back. Chocolate chip cookie dough. All right, boom, done. We're done. These are going for $10 in the store. Online, currently they're going for $31.50. That's over 100% ROI. We can see that there's a couple other people besides the brand that are making sales on this. That is not the brand. They currently have the buy box. So how much money did I have left to spend? $46. So we'll just round up and say 50. We'll grab 5 of these. We'll grab 5 of these. Yeah, these don't expire until next year. And it is $10 profit each, so that's about $50 profit. 67. 50. $104 buy cost, $117 profit from 5 plus 9, 14 units. So 14 items at $104 cost is gonna give us $117 profit.
Yeah, so you could have got all of those still.
Yeah, we could have still got all of those. So let's just say you had $200 to spend. Each one of these boxes up here is going to be $10 profit. So let's break it down like this. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 3, 27, 30. That's $300 profit just on this shelf, on just those. Not counting anything else that we didn't even scan yet. Pure protein nut bars. Pure protein nut bars. Pure protein nut bars. Pure protein. The 10 count is going for $24, but they cost $2 in the store. So you mean to tell me, for a $4 buy cost, I can sell something that's going for $24 online? There's no way I would ever go to work again in my life when I figured out how to do this shit, bro. You fucking shitting me, bro? Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, I'm not making none of this shit up, bro. $4 buy cost. You see the fucking tag right there, bro. You see the listing for a 10 count. There's 5 bars in each box, so you just put 2 boxes together to make the 10 count. Nah, this is crazy. And the offer count is going down, and the monthly sold is going up, and the buy box is looking like that. Come on, kid. And this is if we're doing FBA. If we do FBM, this is gonna ship all day for $5, bro. We're making $11 off 2 boxes of this, bro. I should put that whole cart back and just take these. Caramel, yeah, they got the caramel pack at 10 too. Variation season. Variation season. This one going this one going for this one going for nigga this one nigga this one going for $24. Yeah, so both of these are good. Both of these is good. We're gonna end the video off this product right here, bro. These products right here, things like this, is exactly how I was able to build my Amazon business from $4,000 to over $100K in revenue in about 4 to 5 months. Getting returns on investment like this right here, right? $4 buy cost, because this is a 10-pack online, and it's selling for $24, giving us $11 profit every time we sell 2. So let's count these up. 99 plus another 4. This is like $120, something like that in profit, just sitting right here on this shelf right here. Plus I got $117 profit in my cart. Plus we just showed you guys $300 profit off these Verb bars, plus another $200 on those Verb bars, and we didn't even add up those Verb bars, and we're not even including the Laura bars right there. This aisle alone, we done already showed you guys about $700-800 in profit, and we didn't hit none of the other aisles. So again, $100 challenge. We're gonna check out with this shit for now because that was the objective. Probably get another cart and clean the rest of this shit out. But as always, you know what I'm saying, tap in if you want to learn how I do this shit. Click the link in my bio. Follow me on the gram if you're not already on there. And yeah, that's it.